The question is, the circumcenter of the triangle formed by the points 1, 2, 3, 3, minus 1, 5, 4, 0, minus 3 is. The options are 1, 1, 1, option B 7 by 2, 1 by 2, 1, option C 3, 3, 3, and D 7 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1. So, we need to find the circumcenter of the triangle. These points will form which type of triangle? First we need to identify. How can we find? So by using distance between the points. Distance between the points, what is the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. I discussed already. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So this is the distance between 2 points. Now I will select this point is A, this point is B, and this point is C. Now first we find distance between A and B. That AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1. Here x2 is 3. First we identify this coordinates x1, y1, z1, and this point is x2, y2, z2. Now x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus z2 5 minus z1 3 whole square. So 3 minus 1 2 square 4 plus minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 whole square 9 plus 5 minus 3 2 square 4. So what is this answer? 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 9 17. Next, BC, distance between D and B and C. So what is the B point in this? So now I will consider B as x1, y1, z1, and it is x2, y2, z2. y2 and z2. Now x2 minus x1, 4 minus 3 whole square, y2 minus y1, y2 is 0 minus y1, 0 minus of minus 1, that is 0 plus 1 whole square plus z2 minus z1. Now we check what is z. So z is here, z2 is minus 3, z1 is 5. So minus 3 minus 5 whole square. So that is 4 minus 3 whole square 1 plus 1 and plus minus 5 minus 3 8 minus 8 whole square 64. So 66. Next, AB, BC, AC. So distance between A and C. Now see, here A point and here C point. Select any one point as x1, y1, z1, another point x2, y2, z2. Now x2 minus x1, 4 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So here 0 minus 2 whole square plus z2 minus z1. So z2 is minus 3 and here plus 3. So minus 3 minus 3. z2 minus z1 whole square. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 square, 9. Plus 4, 36. So this is here 36, 4, 40, 49. So we observe here AB is root 17, BC is root 66 and AC is root 49. If we add these two, we are not getting this. But if we add these two, we get this 66. So how we take this one? Square of this one. So square of this is 17. AB is root 17. Then I want AB square. Root 17 whole square. That is 17. Next BC square. BC square is 66. And then AC square is 49. If we add these two, AB square plus AC square, that is 17 plus 49 is 66. That equals to, where we get 66? BC square. So clearly we know that AB square plus AC square is equals to BC square is right angle triangle. Suppose I am taking here A, B, C. Side square plus side square, that equals to hypotenuse square. Side square is what? AB square. So here it is AB square plus AC square is equals to BC square. So it is right angle triangle. Now I want the circumcenter. Here the circumcenter is midpoint for right angle triangle. So midpoint of this BC, hypotenuse. Midpoint of hypotenuse is, we are taking as circumcenter. So here B point, what is the B point in the question? B is 3 minus 1, 5. So write this. B point is 3 minus 1, 5. C point is 4, 0 minus 3. Now midpoint of B and C is x1 plus x2. What is the formula for that? x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 is 3, x2 is 4 by 2. Next, y1 plus y2 by 2. Minus 1 plus 0 by 2. Next, x3, z1 plus z2. That is 5 minus 3 by 2. So circumcenter is equals to 3 plus 4, 7 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 and 5 minus 3, 2 by 2, that is 1. Now check the options. So the option 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1. So option is D. Question: if the orthocenter, circumcenter of a triangle are minus 3, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5 respectively, then the centroid of the triangle is. So these are the given options. So what they given? The given is orthocenter is minus 3, 5, 2. Circumcenter is 6, 2, 5. So we need to find centroid. Everyone, we know that centroid G divides the line joining of orthocenter and circumcenter. It is orthocenter. In the ratio, G divides orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. So it will divides 2:1 ratio. Now I will consider section formula. Why? Because it is in the form of m:n joining the points. What is orthocenter according to the question? Orthocenter is minus 3, 5, 2. Minus 3, 5, 2. And circumcenter? 6, 2, 5. 6, 2, 5. Now G divides 2:1 ratio of this line segment. So write section formula. G is equals to mx2 plus nx1. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, then my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Next it is 3D, so that's why mz2, z axis included, nz1 by m plus n. Now m is 2, we know here m is 2, n is 1. So write in this m is 2, x2 I will consider it as x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. So mx2 2 into 6 plus n is 1, x1 is minus 3 by m plus n, that is 2 plus 1. Then my2, m is what? 2, y2 how much? y2 is 2 plus n is 1, y1, what is y1? 5 by m plus n, comma mz2, m is 2, z2 how much here? z2 is 5 plus n is 1, z1 is 2 by m plus n. Now 12 minus 3 by 3, here 4 plus 5 divided by 3, and here 10 plus 2 divided by 3. So 12 minus 3, 9 by 3, 3. 4 plus 5, 9 by 3, 3. 12 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12 by 3, 4. Now this is the centroid. Check the options. So option A is the answer.